How to transfer file, video or photos old iPhone to new iPhone. For that, simply go to your photo option. For example, you want to transfer a video, then press on select. Now select your video or file. For a test purpose, I just select this two video. This is the video and on photo. Then press on this icon, and at the same time go to your another phone and enable your airdrop option. Once you enable airdrop option, then you can see the airdrop phone option available here. If you don't see, then press on airdrop, then you can see your phone. Now select your phone. Now you can see it's transferring. Now once done, yeah, it's done. You can see the video and file is available. Now go to your photo option and go back and go to recent photo. Then you can see two files are already reached like that. So this is how you can easily transfer file old iPhone to new iPhone. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.